The next thing we're going to be learning about in scripting is loops. Loops are incredibly useful in scripting. This is because of all their use cases. For example, games like Murder Mystery are loop games. The game is ran over and over again inside of a game loop. Let me show you guys a simple loop that just prints something in the output over and over again. I'm sure you can guess what this loop does. Every 1 second, it's going to print hello in the output. Let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, it's printing hello every 1 second in the output. One thing I want to emphasize is that it will not run after a loop. The script will be stuck inside this infinite loop forever. Any code before this will run, however. As you can see, it prints start of script and it continuously prints hello. However, it doesn't go after the loop. Once again, that's because the script stops at the loop. Another type of loop is a while true loop. These loops actually crash games, and that's because the code runs an infinite amount of times in 0 amount of seconds. That's because there is no waiting in this loop. It just runs the code as much as it can in as little time as possible. Normally what you do is write wait and you put your wait statement inside the while true do loop.